Leo kuna MP nataka kupatia half flowers anaitwa Millie Odhiambo, bad girl. There's a bill ali sponsor in 2022 which is in Senate sahi. Inaitwa ART bill of 2022. Assisted Reproductive Technology bill. Which unajua wakati mwingi they are quite like almost 15 to 20% of couples are not able to have their kids naturally. So kuna kitu inaitwa surrogacy. And we for the longest time tumekuwa tukioperate in a vacuum. The legal system has been operating in a vacuum depending on case laws za UK na nini and depending on the constitution and interpretation. But right now there's a bill in parliament which is sponsored by her. She's one of the MPs wenye ana salaries. So bad girl, umefanya kazi mzuri sana and you're doing a good job. May God guide you through. Na huyu usisumbule na mtu zinakuja kukwambia nini. Hizo tuzipatie tusizigonge mangoto. Kama mtu ka MCA kanakuja kukulecture nini na wewe uko 4 terms. Mtu mjinga sana, achana na yeye. But anyway, you are doing a good job. That ART bill is going to change lives, and once it's acted on upon as an act of parliament by the president, we are hoping that Senate kimbizeni your bill so that you can help the many couples. We have a legal system that at least is both protects the surrogate mothers and protects the interest of the children and protects the public from exploitation. Because when you look at most of the case laws is Kenya, there's been a lot of exploitation, a lot of neglect, a lot of because now they've been operating on their own, but right now when you have the legal framework itasaidia sana. So that is one good job. Na huko nilikuwa hata huko Rusinga na umefanya kazi poa sana, barabara iko poa, it's nice. But ile kitu naomba, hiyo barabara ya kuingia hapo kwa Tom Mboya from hapo kwa the main road itamakio yote. And don't worry, huyo Tom Mboya, I'm hoping that there will come a regime that will be able to grant him the honors that he deserves, because he was a great leader, and I can see you're following in those footsteps. Keep up the good work, and I will be recognizing the many who are doing. There are many who are doing good jobs. See what wabaya. There are some who are doing very good jobs, and continue. I know it's a murky water, it's a swampy water whereby wewe unaweza kuwa nafanya nini, tunaona nyi wote ni wabaya, but when you do a good job kama hiyo, that ART bill, I looked at it and it's a good bill. You're solving problems za watu wengi sana, and also giving that legal recourse. Viva grandson mama wakili, let's be active citizens. Na tumesema ni active taxpayers movement. ATM twa swipe twa fagilia twa so that we can get active people who can be able to follow through their taxes. Like huyo MP venye nimesema, she's done a good job. We at least we can be able to see our taxes are going in a good way. Viva.